So Insta360 just announced a brand new tiny hands-free and also 4K camera called the GO Ultra, whereby you can bring it to anywhere and shoot anything you want from any angle. And I've been using it for the past 2 weeks. So in this video, I'm going to share with you what I think about it. What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here. So let me start this video by saying that every single time I put this to use, I am impressed by it and I'm shocked at how convenient and how easy it is to now film myself from any angle. Later I will show you some samples, okay? But for now, let's talk about the design. So as you can see, this camera has two parts, okay? The small little part which you can remove from the body, which is like this, and the body itself acts as a remote control, a remote monitor, and also a charger for your tiny little Insta360 GO Ultra, okay? So at the back here, there is a screen and it's 2.5 inch and you can flip it to the front. And that also means you can shoot yourself with this tiny camera anywhere you want. But if you remember before this, there is this GO 3 and also GO 3S. It is actually smaller than the GO Ultra, okay? But with the bigger size, that also means better quality video and longer battery life. So in case you're not aware how the Insta360 GO series work, right? It's very simple. It's a two-piece camera whereby you can use it as a normal tiny portable camera with portable flip screen, or you can detach the lens part, okay, of things and stick it anywhere you want. So for example, if you're at the gym, you can stick it to your machines or the wall or anywhere using the magnetic part at the back of this camera and get amazing and also super flexible angles, I would say, that previously you can't achieve with any cameras. And then this, like what I mentioned just now, wireless monitoring, right? You can actually control and also watch what you are shooting using this tiny screen. And I also very like one thing, the bottom of this part, right? The body also is magnetic. And that also means you can stick this onto one part of your gym machine and then you can stick this onto another part of the gym machine so you can get special angles while being able to view it from where you are working out. So what kind of shooting modes that it comes with? Well, if you press on the back screen, right, you get to change mode, and of course the first thing you get to see is video, and then you get photo, interval photo, burst photo, star lapse, slow motion, loop recording, time lapse, time shift, free frame video, pure video, and a few more other features. So just to tell you what some of the features that I use a lot on this camera, the first one, pure video. So basically, right, this allows you to shoot very high quality video under low light situation, but it can only shoot up to 4K 30. But if you want to change it to normal video mode, you can actually achieve all the way up to 4K 48, 50, or even 60 frames per second. And of course, you get your stabilization. The stabilization is super amazing. It's almost like you are not moving the camera at all. But there's also one thing that I want to show you. I think I've never seen this feature before. On the screen here, there is this button called Tilt Fix. Basically, it means it will be able to fix your tilting up to 10 degrees, because sometimes when we stick this to somewhere and we don't know whether it's truly aligned or straight or not, this feature will be able to help you to fix it, right? Because it is wide enough to help you to crop and rotate the video a little bit. Then on the other side of the screen, we can also change how wide and how linear it is. So there are a few options: mega view, ultra wide, de-warp, and also linear. So for example, if you want to do a vlog video, you don't want it to be like ultra wide, like fish lens kind of style, you change it to linear and then you get like a normal video camera, video kind of style. But if you are doing, say, hiking, if you want to do like fast moving sports, you might want to have it wider angle, so you can change it to ultra or mega.
Call my line if you're free tonight. Apple eye, you're the one this time. Override, always on my mind. Not alone, you're here with me. Call my line if you're free tonight. Apple eye, you're the one this time. Override, always on my mind. Not alone, you're here with me. Got me on the floor, know exactly what I need. Hit me up so I can leave. Meet me outside, only past 3. Seeing your face, I say you're so gorgeous, need you like it's there.
So before I continue to talk about this camera, just for your information, I'm not going to mention any specs, okay? But if you want to know the specs, you can read from this screen now. You can screenshot, okay? And then maybe print it out using your Epson or Canon printer and print it out and read while you watch my video, okay? So let me continue by telling you that this Go Ultra camera comes with many accessories. So the few accessories that I use the most, number one is this. This is a very nice hand grip that you can actually magnetically stick to the bottom of your Go Ultra, okay? And you can turn this to change the angle. But the special thing about this accessory is at the bottom there is 3 little legs that you can remove and it will magically spread their legs for you. Wow. And that also means you can put this anywhere you want, tilt it at any angle and shoot your creative videos. Now, other than this accessory, I also want to show you this other one that I use a lot. So this is actually a clip, okay? A clip that you can magnetically stick your Go Ultra to, and then you can clip it to anywhere you want. So for example, you can clip it to your shirt, you can clip it to your cap, or you can clip it to your net while you are playing pickleball or badminton, so that you can actually record a video of you playing the game. Or if you don't want, you can also do some POV kind of video by using this necklace thing with a pendant that is also fit with magnets inside, so you can stick it like this and wear it around your neck, okay? So what I like about this accessory is that you can turn the back part of this pendant to change the angle, to change the tilt, which is crazy, right? This little plastic thing can actually help you shoot whether you want it to be higher or lower or more side. It's up to your customization. Speaking of rotating the accessories, this thing, I'm not sure if you can see it, I'll probably show a close-up of this thing later. There are 2 lights on the Go Ultra camera part, okay? So on top there is this one light, and on the front there is also another light. So these lights is to indicate that it's either charging, it's on, or it's recording. Of course, when it's recording, it will be in red, okay? And how to know whether you are shooting horizontal or vertical? When the light is facing up and you can see the light from your eyes from the top angle view, it is actually shooting horizontal. And if you want to shoot vertical for your reels or TikTok or whatever, just turn it 90 degrees, and the moment you don't see the light anymore, that also means you are shooting vertical. Okay, so I hope you have already seen some sample photos and videos. I don't know where my editor will put in the sample clips. Hopefully you've seen it. If not, I will go and tell my editor, hey, can you show them the sample photos? Okay, but before that, I want to tell you some specs first, okay? So when it comes to storage, you will be using micro SD card that you can actually plug it into this little part of the camera here. Not the body, but on this camera side. And the maximum field of view is 156 degrees. Now when it comes to battery life for the Insta360 GO Ultra, the numbers are actually very different with and without the action port, okay? So for 4K 30 frames per second, you can actually shoot up to 60 minutes or 1 hour with just the camera, and with expansion port, is 170 minutes, okay? And when you want to shoot at 1080p 24 frames per second, the timing is 70 minutes with single camera, and with the action port, it is 200 minutes. If you ask me, I haven't really pushed it all the way until the battery dies, because every time I use it, it will be able to, fulfill whatever I want to do, and every time it will still have battery left when I go home. Because every time when I put this back into the action port, it will charge by itself, okay? So it's very convenient. To be honest, I really like this gadget a lot. There's also another a wireless charger that you can plug to the power source, and then you can magnetically attach your GO Ultra camera here and charge. If you want to charge it, just the camera itself, 12 minutes from 0 to 80. And if you want to charge using this, so you plug in like the USB-C cable on the side, it's 18 minutes from 0 to 80%. There's also this Clarity 4K zoom, whereby when you're shooting a video, you can double tap to zoom in. It's called Clarity 4K zoom, but if you ask me, maybe don't use it, because it's not as clear as I want it to be. Okay, it might be very clear for you, but for me, I feel it's not enough. Okay. Now, before I end this video, I just want to share with you two more things, okay, which I find very important. This thing has very good microphone, and that also means when you're vlogging, you don't need additional mic. You can just use the microphone that is here, and it is sufficient. But in case you want to have a better microphone audio for your video, it is also able to support Bluetooth microphones. For example, DJI mic. You can use other wireless microphones, including AirPods. You can also use the AirPods to connect and also use it to talk, okay? And I think in the future, if Insta360 is to launch a new wireless mic, I'm sure it will be able to connect as well. Other than that, for iPhone users, this is a very important feature because you can add this camera into your Find My under Apple, and in case you lose your camera, if you drop it, you don't know where it is, just launch your iPhone, open Find My, and you'll be able to find your Insta360 GO Ultra instantly. Very important because it's very small. You need this feature to find back your camera when you lose it. So at the time of recording this video, I do not know the pricing for the GO Ultra yet because it has not been officially launched. If I know the price, I will put it in the description below or inside this video. Editor, please put in the price. Okay, if he didn't put in the price, and that also means at the time of editing, he also don't know how much it is, okay? Conclusion, I feel that this is a very interesting gadget. I would rate it top 5 gadgets this year because it is really that good, and the video quality is really top notch, and the audio quality is also very good, okay? And I love to use it to shoot my workouts, my sports, and also my, for example, hiking activities that you already saw earlier in this video, okay? If you are still thinking of either getting this or the previous version, for example, like the GO 3 or the GO 3S, I would say that if you have the budget, get this one because you get better quality video. But if you really want an even tinier camera to put into, I don't know where you want to go lah, you can probably get the GO 3S for the portability. But if it's me, I will always get the brand new version for better features and also better hardware. Okay, so that is all. Insta360 hasn't seen this video yet. Okay, I don't plan to show them before I publish. So whatever I say is truly my own honest opinion after using this for 2 weeks. As you can see, I'm not even reading from specs or whatever. Okay. Yeah, if you like this video, please share it to your friends. If you love gadgets, subscribe to this channel. Click on the subscribe button below this video. Remember to check out the description box below this video for the price. I would put it the moment I know it, and also the link to buy it. And yeah, don't forget to follow me on all social platforms. I will be posting a lot more sample videos and photos of the Go Ultra on my Instagram. And I'll see you in the next video. Yo.